This is the Azimuth Verve, a masterpiece of Italian design, handcrafted with unparalleled precision. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, the Azimuth Verve 42 luxury yacht begins its journey. Premium marine-grade fiberglass and carbon fiber form the foundation of the yacht. Each material undergoes strict quality verification before production. The hull mold is carefully prepared to achieve a flawless exterior finish. Even microscopic imperfections are removed before lamination begins. A specialized release layer prevents bonding between the mold and hull. This ensures safe separation after curing. The yacht's brilliant exterior finish starts with marine-grade gel coat. This protective layer resists UV exposure and saltwater damage. The gel coat is partially cured to achieve the ideal bonding condition. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Multiple layers of fiberglass are strategically positioned inside the hull mold. Each layer contributes to structural strength and durability. Carbon fiber reinforcements strengthen critical structural zones. This improves rigidity while minimizing overall weight. Vacuum infusion channels distribute resin evenly throughout the structure. This technology eliminates air pockets and improves strength. The hull assembly is sealed inside a vacuum environment. This prepares the structure for controlled resin infusion. Powerful vacuum pumps remove trapped air from the laminate. The compressed structure is now ready for resin injection. Powerful vacuum pumps remove trapped air from the laminate. The compressed structure is now ready for resin injection. Marine-grade epoxy resin saturates every fiber of the hull structure. The infusion process creates exceptional strength and consistency. Advanced thermal imaging confirms uniform resin distribution. Every section is inspected before curing begins. The composite hull now undergoes controlled curing. This process transforms raw materials into a solid yacht structure. The completed hull is lifted using synchronized overhead cranes. Every movement is precisely controlled to protect the structure. Precision laser scanning verifies hull dimensions and symmetry. Every measurement must meet exact engineering specifications. Precision laser scanning verifies hull dimensions and symmetry. Every measurement must meet exact engineering specifications. Structural stringers strengthen the yacht's hull foundation. They distribute loads generated during high-speed operation. Additional fiberglass laminates permanently integrate the stringers. The hull becomes significantly stronger and more rigid. Bulkheads are precision cut to form the yacht's internal framework. These structures define rooms and strengthen the hull. Each bulkhead is installed according to the yacht's interior layout. Precise positioning ensures structural accuracy. Structural bonding permanently connects bulkheads to the hull. These reinforced joints improve strength and durability. Engine foundations are installed in the aft section of the yacht. Perfect alignment is critical for future propulsion performance. While the hull progresses, production begins on the yacht's deck. The mold is prepared to achieve a premium surface finish. The deck receives the same premium marine finish as the hull. Protective gel coat provides durability and visual appeal. Multiple composite layers are arranged throughout the deck structure. Carbon reinforcements strengthen high-load areas. Multiple composite layers are arranged throughout the deck structure. Carbon reinforcements strengthen high-load areas. The deck structure undergoes the same advanced infusion process. Composite materials transform into a solid marine-grade component. The deck structure undergoes the same advanced infusion process. Composite materials transform into a solid marine-grade component. The infused deck undergoes a carefully controlled curing cycle. This process maximizes structural strength and durability. The finished deck is carefully extracted from the mold. Precision handling prevents any distortion of the structure. Automated trimming creates precise openings and mounting locations. Every cut is completed with millimeter-level accuracy. The hull surface is refined to achieve a flawless finish. Fairing eliminates even the smallest imperfections. Marine-grade fairing compounds perfect the hull profile. This step improves hydrodynamic efficiency. Multiple sanding stages create a perfectly smooth surface. The hull is now ready for structural outfitting. High-capacity fuel tanks are installed within the hull structure. Their positioning is carefully calculated for balance and stability. The fuel tanks are permanently secured within the hull. Special mounts reduce vibration during operation. Fuel delivery systems are installed throughout the yacht. Every connection is designed for safety and reliability. Electrical infrastructure is installed before interior construction. Dedicated pathways protect critical wiring systems. Marine-certified wiring forms the yacht's electrical backbone. Each circuit is identified for future maintenance. Central distribution panels manage power throughout the yacht. Every connection is tested during installation. Central distribution panels manage power throughout the yacht. Every connection is tested during installation. Freshwater and drainage systems are integrated into the structure. Careful routing maximizes reliability and serviceability. All plumbing circuits undergo comprehensive pressure testing. Successful results clear the yacht for major assembly operations. The completed deck is positioned above the hull for final joining. Laser-guided alignment ensures perfect assembly accuracy. Marine structural adhesive creates an exceptionally strong bond. This connection must withstand years of offshore operation. The hull and deck are united into a single yacht structure. This milestone marks the birth of the complete vessel. Mechanical fasteners reinforce the structural bond. They provide additional long-term durability. Advanced inspections verify bond strength throughout the vessel. Only perfect results move forward to the next stage. The yacht's panoramic windshield arrives for installation. Precision handling protects the custom curved glass. The yacht's panoramic windshield arrives for installation. Precision handling protects the custom curved glass. The panoramic windshield is installed with millimeter precision. It forms a key element of the yacht's sleek design. Final inspections confirm proper fit and sealing. The yacht's exterior profile begins to take shape. Power for the Azimuth Verve 42 comes from triple outboard engines. Each unit undergoes extensive preparation before installation. The transom is prepared to support high-performance propulsion. Heavy-duty hardware distributes engine loads evenly.
The first engine is carefully aligned with the yacht's transom. Precision installation ensures optimal performance.
The engine is permanently secured and connected. Critical control systems are integrated simultaneously. The triple-engine propulsion system is now fully installed. The yacht is one step closer to sea trials. The hydraulic steering system is installed to control the triple-engine setup. Precision hydraulic components deliver smooth and responsive handling. Hydraulic lines connect the engines to the helm controls. Protected routing ensures long-term reliability. Heavy-duty steering cylinders transfer helm inputs directly to the engines. The system is engineered for high-speed precision. The steering circuit is filled, calibrated, and pressure tested. Engine movement is verified under simulated operating conditions. The helm console forms the command center of the yacht. Every component is positioned with exceptional accuracy. Advanced control systems are integrated into the helm station. The captain gains complete command of the vessel. Modern navigation systems provide real-time vessel information. Integrated displays combine control and navigation functions. Navigation electronics are calibrated and tested. Every system is verified before sea trials. Premium teak is selected for the yacht's luxury deck surfaces. Each plank is inspected for appearance and durability. The handcrafted teak deck enhances both luxury and functionality. Precision installation creates a seamless appearance. The teak surface is refined to achieve a premium finish. Attention to detail defines the yacht's luxury character. Luxury seating combines comfort, durability, and elegant design. Each cushion is handcrafted for a premium experience. The yacht's outdoor entertainment spaces are furnished. Comfort and functionality are integrated into every area. Interior furniture is crafted from premium marine-grade materials. Precision manufacturing ensures luxury and durability. The cabin and galley begin transforming into a luxury living space. Premium craftsmanship defines every interior detail. The yacht's luxury cabin receives its final architectural details. Premium materials create an elegant onboard environment.
Luxury upholstery enhances comfort throughout the cabin. Every material is selected for durability and refinement.
Integrated LED lighting creates a modern luxury atmosphere. Hidden illumination enhances both style and functionality. Smart lighting systems provide customizable onboard environments. Every lighting zone is individually controlled and tested. The climate control system ensures comfort in every season. Carefully engineered airflow reaches every interior area. The climate control system undergoes operational testing. Performance is verified throughout the yacht. The yacht's bathroom is assembled using marine-certified materials. Water resistance and durability are essential requirements. Luxury fixtures transform the bathroom into a premium onboard space. Every component is tested for reliability and function.
The entertainment system is integrated throughout the yacht. Advanced technology enhances the onboard experience.
Every entertainment component undergoes detailed testing. The system is optimized for premium performance.
Stainless steel railings provide safety and elegant styling. Each component is corrosion-resistant and marine-certified. Essential deck hardware is fitted throughout the yacht. Every component is engineered for demanding marine conditions. Final detailing enhances the yacht's distinctive appearance. The exterior finish receives meticulous attention. The yacht receives its final high-gloss polish. The finish reflects the highest standards of craftsmanship. All onboard systems are integrated into a unified control network. The Azimuth Verve 42 is now approaching final testing and certification. Every yacht undergoes a rigorous multi-point quality inspection. Attention to detail is verified throughout the vessel. Water tightness testing simulates demanding marine environments. Every seal and opening must remain leak-free.
Technicians verify complete protection against water intrusion. All compartments must remain perfectly dry.
Engine commissioning prepares the propulsion system for operation. Critical performance parameters are carefully verified. The first engine startup marks a major manufacturing milestone. Engine systems are evaluated under controlled conditions. The complete propulsion package is tested as a unified system. Engine synchronization is critical for performance.
Steering and throttle systems are calibrated and tested. Every control input must respond instantly and accurately.
All onboard electronics undergo comprehensive verification. Every digital system must perform flawlessly. Final preparation ensures the yacht is ready for launch. The completed vessel reflects months of expert craftsmanship. The yacht leaves the assembly hall for the first time. It now heads toward launch and sea trials. The completed yacht is carefully lowered toward the water. This marks the beginning of real-world testing. The Azimuth Verve 42 touches water for the first time. Engineers immediately verify flotation characteristics. Dockside testing confirms all onboard systems perform correctly. Every subsystem is evaluated before sea trials. The Azimuth Verve 42 begins its official sea trials. Performance testing now moves to open water.
Engineers evaluate speed, handling, and efficiency. Real-world performance must match design targets.
Handling tests evaluate steering precision and stability. The yacht must remain predictable in every condition. Navigation and control technologies are validated at sea. Every system must function under real operating conditions. Sea trial data is analyzed and compared with design goals. The yacht successfully meets performance requirements. Following sea trials, the yacht receives final detailing. Every surface is prepared for customer delivery. The final inspection confirms production excellence. The yacht is officially approved for delivery. The yacht is prepared for its new owner. Every detail is carefully arranged before handover. Months of craftsmanship culminate in this special moment. The completed yacht is officially presented to its owner. From raw materials to world-class performance, the Azimuth Verve 42 represents the pinnacle of yacht craftsmanship.